I'd say, but money vibes. Um, just to cover what it is we do so far for the morning. So this morning I send this trade for it, right? First thing this morning, where is it? Okay, this analysis, this analysis here. Just so you know what it is we see in the markets, potentially what it is could happen. And you'll see so far, I just this here. This here is what it is we dealing with. Right? And as I was outlaying in the video, only after I realized I didn't play it with song this. I didn't record it with song. But I mean I could watch and see well, like I draw these zones. I draw these zone which part I think Bitcoin which part Bitcoin burst through. This on the bottom here would have be a liquidity hunt to take right, and I just draw the move that I think would have happened logically from now, right? And then I just put the Fibonacci tool after to show these extension prices. And right now we up on this trade, well, about 18%. Could be a little bit more by now, right? Simple analysis. Or you see how we always do things. Well, no, I mean, don't try to complicate it. You get the move, right? You move your stop loss into profit, and just from here, you just have to let the moves play out. From here, you just have to let that move play out, right? And we the trade risk free right now because we don't move our stop loss to entry. And as I was outlining to you, like in terms of time, right? Every one of these candles, we are on a 15-minute chart. So every one of these candles represent a 15-minute time frame. So from the time we enter here, that was like after 4 this morning. It's done about 4 hours. And it when you reach here we up a little 20% profit. But to play out to for this to play out to our take profit, I just wait to go up here and then it will have to retest and then it has to go up. They hours now, like hours. So you think with trading, you get a good entry and then you just have to relax, you know. Yeah, nothing else to do, but just not monitor, but manage your trade here. You just have to manage it, right? Boom, you get a good retest, right? Liquidity sweep, you catch it proper here. No, you just have to manage yourself and manage your trade. Anytime you can take profits and say you're good. But if it is like in a case like this, you know, hey, it could go to 105.8, right? Oh, boom, we could secure some more profits here. You know what? Let me put that in one time. Add an alert, you can take it at 750. Secure 40%. Play for retest. Then add more. All right. So if it is the market do give us this entry here, this value here, we'll take some profits off the table. And then when it is to do so and then retest here, then we could add an exposition. So you're steadily adding positions as it is your trade continue. You're securing profits and add. That's how you get to compound as well. Right? So no rush thing, no, you just let the markets do whatever. You see, it went down a little bit, it will go back up a little bit, just to leave it, catch a real best entry. If it is the markets had to really do the buying thing, it will move somewhat in a pattern like this, right? And I just drew it like right here, but this is gonna reach down all here, then flip. and then continue. So they probably like the trade of the week. And we just had to relax and just let that play out, right? And yeah, oh, what a wonderful world. Get up early, do the analysis, catch your entry, and yeah, I was looking at goal for that thing I put back as I had it set for 390, 95 for it up, and then it just sell off just so. It's trying not to study goal too much. Um, you start to do more forex players as well, as was telling you yesterday. Same thing. This is what is happening in all them pairs. Chop down the liquidity sweep on an 193, 193 that this could pump hard. Same thing with EURJPY. See, 1, 2, 3 touch. Look like a support being built here. They take along on EURJPY, right? Surplus at 192, 900. Just because this already do that liquidity hunt already. Push up, build a support, right? Still on that 163. And from here it could be up. So you take a long on EURJPY, because it already starting to push. And surplus on 62,900. I want to peep some odds and all too, but let's just put in this on there first. So the trade is EURJPY trade. Yeah, just market execute. Surplus 192,900. Take profit. I mean, let's check and see what's going on higher time frames. 164,500. I was sending it in the group and all too, so everybody would see it. All right, and now why do you say boy? All right, let's just take a look at some odds because once it is BTC showing this bullish movement, them odds will keep on doing this. So let's see if it is regaining. If you get any good entries, Trump and move nothing as yet. I know with them all coins, he's in 25% of your account max, eh? Setting all out here for this coin. If it is a gate, I'll send it for you, you eat a little food. When it is I trade in all die house range, yeah, I look for coins where I make any significant moves as yet. See Atom could come down and retest this fair value gap here before anything else. Akita value reversal. Mm. Yeah, just set alerts. So if it is a pullback and give us this entry, then it is you enter the markets. Like this done para push up already. Because watching Trump just now, because Trump ain't make no move as it. Trump 11 don't get touch. Right, this could be a support building for higher. Yeah, I could if it is a just all here could be a like a support area now for higher prices. Afterwards, just see it now. But they say started the same move as it, the same move as it. Don't touch here, touch here. I feel take a long on Trump. Alright, but just run through the list here and you'll come back. Let you see. See, all them thing done move already. Them thing done move. But champion move yet. Tell you no, when it is if BTC really decide to function and give you this, all these old them will be real fun. It'll be 100% just so. Flow move. XRP done moving already. Sol done moving. But champion move yet. So just with that, feel it's safe to take a long on champ. We could put stop loss, right? Like I doesn't like to study trend lines too much and all to it. But just what has been seen can be unseen. It's a big area, but I think it's a good entry for this if it is it at a move. Right? Max 10x leverage, stop loss, right? And I feel you could put it at 11 as well. So we enter it at like 11.25, 11.25, stop loss at 11. Might have real higher prices. Because once it is them thing start to move, yeah, watch how far Trump come from. If this is our bottom price we catch here, we could just leave that run for days. Yeah, some small risk, only trades. You risk a little bit to gain. If it is, yeah, you could gain a whole lot here. That in a quote unquote support area. Yeah, so let's try along on Trump as well because everything else kind of moving. Trump has had to move as it. It's a good entry, right? Of a support area, trend line. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And once it is BTC continues strong, remember with these coins, Bitcoin is like the determining factor. And then Bitcoin is not really the determining factor. 500. US tech. See, once it is them start to do this, you can't even think about it, Gosh, boy. Apex are going back, yes. Hmm. It's on smaller time frames, eh? 4 hour, everything's still bullish on the 4 hour. Oh, hey. Today I supposed to do this first, so apologies, eh? Today is Tuesday the 3rd. It have this for 10. It had this for 10. So you see after 10, we will check this again, my right? That is red folder, job openings for 10. We will check the markets after 10. Right? We will still hold our position with as we have now on 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 BTC because a really good entry we have. And then after the little chaos that is ensue, then it is we will take we will look at the market. And right now we're just watching Trump, right? Okay, now Trump for entry. Yeah, well, I just take a position on no, no, after it, after. In that class, it'll be safe about a good day, like don't get tempted. So after 10, I'll communicate it to you on the Discord and then we'll go from there. All right, be safe. Have a good one. Blessings as always. Forward.